Welcome guys, this is DongCheng Power Tool from GZ Industrial Supplies, Nigeria Limited. So over here we are going to tell you how to use the DongCheng DCMY02-185. Actually the DongCheng Brushless circular saw. So this is how it is. It's very handy and it's affordable and it's efficient as well. So we are going to show you how to install and use this tool before you engage in your work. It uses a 7-inch saw blade. You can see it. So we are going to put this saw blade into this machine. And how do we do that? This is the Allen key. This is your shield protector. Before you put it, it must have to sit on the wheel. It must have to sit here. And this is your holder. You have to ensure that it's being tightened. Okay. It comes with a 20 volt 5 amps lithium ion battery. You can see 2 batteries, 20 volt 5 amps lithium ion battery with an efficient fast charger. Very powerful. And whatever you're going to do, you need to go through your manual. You need to go through your manual, and this is your protector. It can be adjusted. You can see it can be adjusted to 45 degrees. If you want to cut in a diagonal position, you can be adjusted. So we're going to test run this on this wood here. We're going to test it on this wood and see how fast and sharp it will cut. Remember, this goes here. So it's actually used to hold down this side. We'll put our battery. This is where you put it. So just before you make use of it, you have to ensure that this side is being pressed, and then so let's see how this cuts. Come over to this side. Just like I said, you can see. I'm still going to test this on here. It can be removed. So you can see. Look at the cut. Hold that thing very well. Are you getting it? Huh? No, no. No, wood. This one fun. So you see, this is it. The DongCheng circular saw, DCMY02-185. Cordless circular saw. You can see how we just used it and how you can install your blade and use it. It's actually a cordless machine. So you, with a 5 amps battery, 20 volts. You're welcome.